Here's some Mali Empire Trails trivia. Subscribe. What was the capital of the Mali Empire? Is it A. Bamako, B. Cairo, C. Timbuktu, or D. Dakar? The correct answer is C. Timbuktu. Who was the most famous ruler of the Mali Empire? Is it A. Soundiata, B. Mansa Musa, C. Tenka or D. Askia Muhammad? The correct answer is B. Mansa Musa. What religion was predominant in the Mali Empire? Is it A. Buddhism, B. Christianity, C. Hinduism, or D. Islam? The correct answer is D. Islam. In which century did the Mali Empire reach its peak? Is it A. 16th century, B. 12th century, C. 14th century, or D. 18th century? The correct answer is C. 14th century. Which river was crucial for the Mali Empire's trade? Is it A. Yangtze River, B. Nile River, C. Niger River, or D. Amazon River? The correct answer is C. Niger River. Who founded the Mali Empire? Is it A. Soundiata Keita, B. Mansa Musa, C. Askia Muhammad, D. Abu Bakr II? The correct answer is A. Soundiata Keita. What was the primary language spoken in the Mali Empire? Is it A. Swahili, B. French, C. Mandinka, or D. Spanish? The correct answer is C. Mandinka. In what year did the Mali Empire collapse? Is it A. 1800s, B. 1600s, C. 1700s, or D. 1400s? The correct answer is B. 1600s. What was one reason for the Mali Empire's wealth? Is it A. slave trade, B. luxury items, C. manufactured goods, or D. fishing industry? The correct answer is A. slave trade. What title did Mansa Musa hold? Is it A. emperor, B. president, C. sultan, or D. king? The correct answer is D. king. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.